The second it starts to get cool outside, everybody starts chasing this exact scent. Candles, coffee, everything pumpkin spice. Today I'm breaking down Simply Earth's pumpkin spice blend, what's in it, how to use it, and why this bottle smells like fall itself. This 15 milliliter blend is built like a true fragrance. A bright top note, a warm spicy heart note, and a smooth base holding it all together. And that scent structure is why this blend smells so beautifully complex. And this blend is only around for a limited time this season. Blood orange is the top note. It's the scent that will hit you first. Bright, sweet citrus that keeps this blend from feeling too heavy. Copaiba is the next scent. It's smooth and resinous, and it mellows out the scent to make it feel more warm instead of sharp. It also helps the scent linger. Then there's the spice, which is the heart of this blend. We've got cinnamon for the classic warm backbone, cassia for real spicy intensity, a little goes a long way, ginger for peppery brightness, and nutmeg for that baked cozy finish. Together, it's the pumpkin spice scent that everyone recognizes. This blend is incredible in candles. It fills the room with that beautiful fall scent. You can also diffuse it, blend it in a roll-on, or make a room spray to help give you that fall feeling. However you use it, it'll smell officially like fall. This Simply Earth blend is a seasonal blend. Once we sell out, it's gone until next year. Here's how to make sure you know how to use this blend safely. Pumpkin spice has those spicy scents in it, which makes it more irritating to the skin. So we want to make sure that it's really diluted before you put it on the skin. We recommend diluting this blend at 0.5% or less before it goes on your skin. We don't recommend using this blend if you are pregnant or around pets. Whenever diffusing essential oil around pets, make sure the door is open so that they can leave if the scent bothers them. And always talk to a doctor if you're on any medications before using an essential oil. Make your home smell like fall with this blend before it's gone.